You're intimidating Igbo people. You sold your lands to them. You used the money to go and spray a musician. And now you want to come back and claim ownership. Where is that done? There's something wrong. I beg, let's don't let me go there. You saw almost half of Lagos is gone. You sold the land, they got C of O. You are now coming to claim ownership of the area. You want to be chairman of the landlords association. Why you on paper you don't have anything. What to you? I tell you.
You sold your land and you spread money with it. And an Igbo man bought it with his hard-earned money. And I know that a lot of this land that were sold to Igbo at a very costly price. You sold, Igbo man bought. Now you are angry. You want to recover it back. And that is why Lagos government is helping you to become lazy. Yes. You think you recover it back, you've hurt the Igbo people. No, they are making you to be lazy. They are making you not to be able to stand on your own. Do you know what it means? You want to eat your cake and have it. These guys did sweat, they stood on the sun, they hustled. Remember where these Igbo people are coming from. So it pains me so hard. They are coming from a war that they were given $20 each. 20 pounds, sorry, 20 pounds. They lost everything in the war. If you have £1 million whatsoever, at the end of the day, they gave you 20 pounds, just 20 pounds. They returned all to the southeast. They came back. They took over again. They hustled. The hustle started again after 1970s, 75 to 80s. Look at what they have amassed today. They bought this land with hard-earned money. You are demolishing their properties in the name of they did not get license to build here. Remember, someone in your shoes was in the office, gave them documents for those lands. Afterwards, it no go better for you. It no go better for you. Let me tell you, by the way, you cannot manage what you did not hustle for. You cannot manage it. You cannot manage somebody's sweat. The money will do vroom vam, vanish. I had some of these Yorubas say, Igbo should leave Southwest. They want to take over. What you did not hustle for, you cannot manage it. The only thing you can manage is, it will not take you time to sell it because you need money to maintain it. Those people who built it had the money to maintain it. And that is why you see, let me give you an instance. You see big men, children, many of them don't do well because they're enjoying a wealth that is not directly worked for by them. They're enjoying somebody's wealth. Only the big men, children you see doing well are the ones that join their father in the hustle. That is the case with you who wants to occupy Igbo property in the Southwest. And by the way, remember, the Igbo people said they were tired of Nigeria, that they don't want to be Nigerians anymore. Your fathers joined the army to fight to make Igbo people part of Nigeria again. They want to be on their own. Igbo cannot go. Igbo cannot go. Still you. Igbo cannot go. They will not have their Biafra. But you're chasing them away from Lagos. You say Igbo cannot go. You're chasing them away just because of your greed. You want to occupy what they worked for. It shall not be well with you. The other day, Samuelu, after losing election, he went to Ebuka Obi to campaign. He realized he lost Lagos, even though somehow it was given to him. He went to demolish shops in Alaba as a result of in vengeance, in vendetta. They have done several laws to make sure to keep Igbos away. I heard recently they went to Ladipo. They are trying to install a Yoruba man, in a market that is dominated by Igbo. What you don't, the reason I'm presenting this video is to tell you something. What you don't work for, you cannot manage. You cannot handle what you don't work for. Unless you work for it, you go through the strains and stress. That's what the lesson I'm trying to teach us from this. They cannot just bring you and put you to be MD of an office. You don't understand how it runs. That is why so many businesses fail. You don't have what you call the technical know-how to manage it. That will be the case of those who are trying to occupy Igbo properties in Lagos. You did not originally strive to get it. Only jealousy is what is motivating you. Not that you can actually manage such resources. And I want to tell you, just like I've learned through success books, when people come to your place, pay money, develop it, you should welcome them. I'll show you another video. You should welcome such people. Investors are pampered. You don't mistreat investors. We see our president, just like Buhari, he traveled almost every day during his tenure. Hey, going to China, going to this to get foreign investors. What about the local investors? What have you done to them? Peter Obi said he was an employer of labor. He was an employer of labor in UK. He used to get notice, he used to get certain accolades as an employer of labor. But you are chasing, your local investors are the ones, you don't need to joke with your retail market first. It is the retail market that holds those big industries you are seeing. They will sell to retailers. You are looking for investors. But you are dealing with the ones God gave you, natural investors, the Igbo people. You are maltreating them. Haven't you heard that popular saying? Anywhere you go, you do not see an Igbo man. Quit. But you want to chase your Igbo man. Like I used to tell you, as far as business is concerned in Nigeria, Igbos are the salt, that ingredient you need. Let me allow you to watch this video. You better pamper your investors. Igbos are investors in Lagos. They should be pampered. If you want Lagos to survive, watch this video and I think we'll be done with that one.
I came back there and told somebody, you don't go to look for foreign investor. Anybody who tells is going around the world to look for foreign investor is wasting everybody's time. Foreign investor is like bee and honey. If you put honey here, how the bee will come in, nobody will tell you. I told you Macron finished G20 meeting, flew to Bangladesh, because Bangladesh has just ordered 10 Airbus 350. So you have to go and see them. Because they're coming. If you look at all the economic analysis, go and Google where Bangladesh will be in 2030, where they will be in 2050. Nobody knows where we're going to be. With all this lying.
You want foreign investors, but how do you treat the local ones? You don't understand that the retail business, like I told you, is the power of the big businesses. The big businesses have to sell to the retailers. It is the retailers that takes it to the final consumer. They say Igbos are doing retail business in Lagos. Can you fill in the blank if they leave? Anyway, let me just leave it here. But let me still say my wish before I leave. I wish our people are investing at home, at Corona. I have told our people, stop buying properties in Lagos because it could be marked tomorrow. Even if some of these properties are legitimate, the area you bought it government designated area that you should buy. These guys are fond of tomorrow. One new chairman that was just born yesterday will come, like, you know what happened to Young Shagro? A guy that was born after Young Shagro property was bought in the 80s in Lagos. And a local government chairman, I don't know whether it's up to 30 years. We are invalidating, we marked Young Shagro's property for demolition. That Lagos is taking the land. That's the kind of thing we see. No, 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 no. I'm even advising my people, stop investing in Lagos. Invest in an Igbo. Akuruno, let's make an Igbo better. Stop building in Lagos. It is not wise. They can use any policy to seize your property tomorrow. New government, they'll bring new policies, like they have done, like I said earlier. Stop building, stop paying Iyaloja. All the Iyaloja in controlling modern markets in Lagos. Iyaloja is supposed to control tomato market, not modern market. Stop paying them. Come and fix an Igbo. Take your investment to an Igbo. Yes, people will still do business in Lagos, but your main base should be an Igbo. I imagine if Igbo people leave, these Yoruba people will still beg, make we come back. Anyway, this is where I'll round up on this one. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you share. Also subscribe to this channel. I'm Azuka Oje. Bye-bye for now.